St. Andrew Technical High says peace from Greenwich Farm community football matches have been a blessing to the school. Kirk Wright explains.
This competition are primarily from the Greenwich Farm and Lower Maxfield Avenue communities. Team members also include police personnel. The aim is to maintain peace sparked by 6 weeks of football matches.
This partnership, it came about as an extension of an initiative that was started by the St. Andrew South Division, where the residents, they wanted peace, they wanted to socialize with one another, and we capitalized on that opportunity.
Principal of the St. Andrew Technical High School, Warrell Hibbert, says the school is benefiting in a big way. Previously, over 500 students who walked to school had to take longer routes due to fear of being harmed. Things are now different.
But with this football competition, what it brought was a sort of a closeness with the community, a sort of oneness with the community. So my students started coming to school on time, and they started walking in the one direction that everybody knows about. And even the parents too started coming out more for Parent Teachers Association meetings.
CSEC results have also improved.
The last CSEC results that we got, our school, you could probably say that our school's academic performance this year is better than the last 6 or 7 years.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Still ahead.